Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A mother's grief is palpable as she mourns the loss of her 1-month-old baby who passed away at the Bustamante Children's Hospital 3 months ago. She's still questioning the circumstances surrounding his death. Yannick Williams tells us more.
3 months ago, Odia Roberts gave birth to a baby boy at the Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas. Today, all she's left with are memories. The baby was unwell and was hospitalized after doctors discovered an infection in his blood. He was later transferred to the Bustamante Hospital for Children.
So I said, what kind of infection? The doctor said, an invasive infection. She tapped the record like that, as in, just know it's an invasive infection. You don't need to know the name. And the infection took over the baby's organs, and his blood sugar got lower and lower. Then his heart rate begins to drop.
The baby died 3 weeks later. Ms. Roberts says 2 autopsies showed different causes of death.
I did my own autopsy and it showed me a lack of oxygen. The hospital did their autopsy, which they said it was prematurity, gram-beef sepsis, and liver dysfunction. The organs in the baby were severely compromised. Things was missing from the baby. My pathologist only had little things to work with to find out what had happened to the baby.
The mother thinks better medical care at the Bustamante Hospital could have prevented her child's death.
Because of how they behave at that hospital, I knew something was not right. You go to the hospital, you find doo-doo on the baby, you see blood on the baby, you see liquid on the baby. He was not taken care of at all.
She says her son's death has left her in a daze.
When the pathologist came around and said, well, I'm seeing a lack of oxygen, it was like my world was crashing down. I could not believe it.
After contacting the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERHA, they released a statement to TVJ News, which reads, under the Data Protection Act, in keeping with patient confidentiality and medical practices, we are not at liberty to disclose or discuss any patient's medical records. End quote. The statement also says that an internal investigation is currently underway. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.